Hello everybody, this is Jeff, also known as TSX Trader from LiveStreamTrading.com. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a full walkthrough of the back end of our website to help you understand what we offer at LiveStream Trading and what separates us from every live trading community online today. Follow along as we take you through our chat room, live stream, live trading examples, end-of-day webinars, and much, much more. Upon registration to our website, you'll be immediately emailed a username and password that you can use to access all of the materials and courses that we offer to members of our community. On your first login, you're going to be brought to this page. This is the members portal, the back end for all of our users of our website. This will give you access to all of our video lessons and webinars that we've done over the past 3 years and help get you up to speed on our risk management system and trading system. Our system is actually very easy to follow. We use a few key patterns that we explain throughout this video series, and most importantly, a very tight risk management system that allows us to time our trades properly to reduce risk and maximize reward. At LiveStream Trading, we don't believe in selling courses or DVDs. We want to give every single person the opportunity to learn how to trade like a professional with a professional system without having to put up thousands of dollars up front. As a member of our community, you'll instantly have access to everything we have to offer. Our entire course library and video lesson library is included for every single member. Let me go ahead and take you through some of our video lessons to get you started. At the end of each trading day, I'll do a live webinar. So at the end of every day at the bell, I'll be reviewing each and every trade that I've taken that day, win or loss, to help you guys better understand the reason behind our trades and the signals that we use to enter those trades. Also, on every Friday afternoon, we do a live Q&A session in case anyone has any questions that they need answered. However, we do answer questions throughout the day, so feel free to ask questions anytime in our general chat channel and you will get an answer. As you can see, we have the webinars daily posted and sorted by month. So it's really easy to find what you need in here. If you scroll back a little farther, we have some other video lessons that are categorized, long and short patterns and setups, trading psychology, risk management, mid and large cap strategies with Trade Addict, platform setup. This is just a really good way for people to go back and review the trades and learn as quickly as possible, as we do explain in detail as we're taking the trades, but during that high point of emotion where you're actually trading, you may find it easier to take in the information by recapping and watching the webinars at a later time. This has actually been a huge help for a lot of our part-time traders and people who are still working part-time jobs. It kind of allows them to come in and trade with us when they have time during the day, but still allows them to come back after hours in the evenings or whenever they have free time to go back over our trades and learn from each and every video lesson. Okay, so you've watched the main video lessons in the members portal, you've reviewed a few of our daily recaps, and you're ready to start trading with us. Perfect. Here is our day trading chat room. As you can see, it's organized by topic on the left-hand side to help reduce clutter and keep everything in one place. What you see here is our main day trading chat channel. This is where I'll be posting my trades and alerts. You can see that I tag them with an @here tag. This allows everyone who's on the chat to get an audible alert when I'm either entering or exiting a trade. The other channels you see here are just for different topics of discussion. For example, the educational channel will allow you to get access to over 500 ebooks that we've got for you on store right here for free. The general channel is just where we get to know each other a little bit better, chat, hang out, share ideas, share strategies, and ask questions, which I'll answer at the end of each and every day in our daily recap. The large caps channel is for trading big board stocks, your Facebooks, Amazons, Apples, Googles. This is hosted by Philip, who also goes as Trade Addict in our chat room and on Twitter. And then the swing room is a room dedicated purely for swing trade ideas. Each morning, we want you guys to come to the market prepared and confident and ready to trade our system. When you first log into the live stream at 8:30 a.m., it'll bring you to our live trading scanners. So between 8:30 a.m. Eastern and 9:10 a.m. Eastern, this will launch our live scanning screen share, which will show you our trade ideas scanners for the morning, which will basically just break down what stocks are gapping up and what stocks are gapping down. At 9:10 a.m., I'll come onto my live trading screen, turn on my microphone, and start running through the stocks I'll be watching for the morning and give tentative trade plans for each stock until a signal to enter the trade is given. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now our watch list live stream from Friday, and we'll move from that into a live trade we took from that watch list later that day. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back for another day of live trading and live streaming. Let's go ahead and dive into the watch list for today. I actually pretty much the same as yesterday's. I didn't really change anything, all the same key levels, so we kind of already know what we're looking for from yesterday's webinar. But let's go ahead and recap it today. A couple things might have shifted around a little bit in pre-market. So we'll start with Mara. You know, this day here where it kind of broke through the daily chart resistance at 170, and we've actually held over that one. You can see this day that the day before yesterday it kind of broke down below it, but then it closed above 170, and yesterday again it kind of closed over 170. So it's been interesting on the daily chart. I put a marker in here at 185 because that was kind of the resistance area we've been looking at, and it was sort of pre-market support here and post-hour support. If this one, you know, opens weak, kind of tests towards 170 or whatever, then comes back and holds a higher low over 185, that'd be a green light for me to go ahead and get long. So we'll keep an eye on that one in case, again, a little bit of a weak open. Then if it pops back over 85 and we hold, I'll be looking for a long on that one if we get that particular setup. Otherwise, I'm not really interested in shorting it, but if it opened weak and then failed to get back over and did a lower high, it might. I just don't think there's enough meat on it for a short, and the daily chart's starting to look good. So I'm only interested in long if it sets up properly. All right, guys. So yeah, a couple minutes till the open here. We got a plan for every stock. It's just a matter of waiting for the setups to hit. So be patient, trade safe, and in 2.5 minutes we'll be going. So yeah, I'm actually trying to get long some Mara on the bid at 192 here. If we can get some sell pressure to come through with risk off 187. Anyways, look for the break of highs there. And stop is 187. If we break two, go ahead and sell a third just over. I'm going to try like 202 area. Sell orders out at 202. And partial fill filled. Sold a third at 202. I'm actually going to get down to a half size, guys. I'm going to sell a little more here at 02. $225 is really the next big daily chart resistance in the type of market we've been seeing lately. Hard to say if we'll get there, but that's where I'm aiming for if we get a continuation. So at this point, guys, there's zero risk on the trade. I ended up getting long 92, mostly 93, honestly, because I only got a partial fill at 92 on the bid. So risk 89, no more risk on the trade. Eliminate the risk completely by selling some up here. New stop 89. Gonna try to sell some at 208 here, get down to a quarter, and then try to aim for 225 on the rest. Nice patience this morning, guys. That's what it's all about. You know, it might take 30, 40 minutes for the first trade to come in, but it's worth the wait. Don't get chopped up until that setup comes. All right, guys, got another fill at 208 for a quarter, and I have a quarter left. We'll target 225 on the rest. So guys, you can see that Mara here, we're getting an inverted cup. Okay, so it's not reclaiming, so far it's not reclaiming 204. It still could try to hang on here and there's still a chance, but for a lot of you, the safe stop here is going to be the break of 98, so stop 97. Okay, so if I see 96, I'm going to hit the exit. It's actually a hidden buyer at 97, that might just save me. Either way, I'm happy with the trade. Good trigger, good risk reward. All right, there's 96s. I'm just going to wait and see if they look like they're going to break here. Out of Mara. As you can see from Friday's live trade, there's quite a bit of detail and guidance that goes into every trade that we take. It's not just about alerting the entry, it's about having everybody understand the plan behind that trade, where we're going to stop out if the trade doesn't work. That way you can actually manage the risk behind the trade and know what amount of shares to put on that's comfortable versus your account size. And more importantly, because it's not people chasing each other to get the trade, it gives you time to think about the trade that we're taking and make a decision on your own as to whether or not it's a trade you would like to participate in. I also wanted to mention that our live stream is not just something that we do for the first hour of the day. I live stream my desktop all day long. There are trades to be made in the morning. There's also trades to be made in the afternoon after lunch. Some of the best trades that I take tend to happen after 1:30 p.m. So we do encourage you to take a small lunch break between 12 to 1 p.m., but be back and ready to trade by 1:10 p.m. each afternoon. I think it's also important to note that we don't pump and dump stocks. We never take trades in the first 2 to 5 minutes of the day. Almost all of our trades are going to happen after the first 15 minutes of the day once proper risk levels are established and a trend has begun to be formed. If we don't find a trade in the first 15 minutes of the day, the first trade typically will come in about 35 minutes into the day for the same reasons. Those tend to be the times where my signals happen, give us the most low risk entry with the highest probability of a good outcome. For more information as to why our trading group is much different in that sense, please be sure to review our blog post, Escaping the Pump and Dump. Our pricing structure at LiveStream Trading is very simple. Like we mentioned earlier, we do not sell courses or DVDs, so everything you saw today and more is included with a monthly subscription for just $79. This includes over 250 video lessons, your daily trade recaps and webinars, your 24/7 chat room, and of course the live trading stream that you saw today. Whether you're a brand new trader just looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader who needs a professional environment to trade in and some great trade ideas to work from, we would love to have you on our crew. If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out anytime to jeff@livestreamtrading.com. Thanks for watching everybody and hope to see you on the live stream soon.